The inner treasury or the Bhitar Ratna Bhandar of Jagannath Puri temple in Odisha is slated to be opened tomorrow. The Ratna Bhandar became a political tool in the run-up to the Lok Sabha as well as Vidhan Sabha elections of Odisha earlier this year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Cuttack had insinuated that the keys of the Ratna Bhandar, which have been missing since 2018, had been sent to Tamil Nadu. This was a slight against B.K. Pandian, who was the former bureaucrat and close aide of Naveen Patnaik. The last time the Ratna Bhandar was opened was in 1985, and the inventory which was done last time was 1978. Their jewelries, ornaments, crowns, diamonds, gold, silver is believed to be stored in the Bhitar Bhandar, and these ornaments are never used. There are about 150 ornaments in the outer Ratna Bhandar, jewelry and ornaments from which are used on a regular basis to dress and decorate the deity Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra at Jagannath Devi temple. This is the time when the Ratna Bhandar can be actually opened. The Rath Yatra is going on right now, and the three deities have been moved from the temple behind me, the Puri temple, one of the most important temples in Hindu tradition, and among the Char Dhams, which also include Rameshwaram, Dwarka and Badrinath. The deities are currently in Gundicha temple, and the story goes that they are currently visiting their aunt. The treasury is actually situated close to the Sanctum Sanctorum, and to access the treasury if the deities are placed inside this temple would mean disruptions in the functioning of the temple, which will rile up the sentiments of devotees here. There are fears that because the treasury has not been opened for 50 years and unsuccessfully committees have gone under the Naveen Patnaik government to carry out a survey of the sanctorum, people fear that some jewelry might have been taken out. There are also fears that some parts of the treasury, which is as old as the temple, 800-900 years old, they are in urgent need of repair, or they might hamper the structure of the temple. The devotees here say they are excited as well as a bit reserved about the opening of the chamber. They want to know where the keys are. अच्छा अजीत जी, ये कल रत्न भंडार खुल रहा है, इसके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं आप?
अब तो पता है, न्यूज में दिखा रहा है रत्न भंडार कल खुल रहा है, लेकिन रत्न भंडार कल खुलेगा, उसका खुलासा होगा, वो हमको क्लैरिटी चाहिए। रत्न भंडार क्या क्या है उसमें हमको क्लैरिटी चाहिए। क्या क्या वो 2018 में चाबी गुम गया, लेकिन 2017 में क्यों पता नहीं चला, 2000 उससे पहले क्यों पता नहीं। इतना पूरी जगन्नाथ वर्ल्ड फेमस है, लेकिन हमको पता नहीं चला रत्न भंडार का।
आपको लगता है ये मिसमैनेजमेंट है?
मुझे लग रहा है ये पूरा मिसमैनेजमेंट है। लास्ट 25 ईयर्स से यहाँ पर जो सरकार है उसका पूरा नेग्लिजेंस है। मुझे लग रहा है पूरा नेग्लिजेंस।
आपको लगता है कि कुछ अंदर से चोरी हो गया होगा इतने सालों में, 50 सालों में?
वो भी हो सकता है, हम पता नहीं। चोरी 100% हो सकता है। चाबी, डुप्लीकेट चाबी किसके पास होगा, वो ओरिजिनल चाबी किसके पास, वो खोल के ले जाएगा होगा, वो तो क्या पता है।
In 2018, a committee had actually gone to go inside the inner treasury, but they were unable to do so because the key available was not able to fit this locks. A committee made by the Bharatiya Janata Party government on 6 July decided that even if the key doesn't work, they will break the lock and access the inner Ratna Bhandar. According to previous inventories, there are 170 kind of different jewels kept inside the inner Bhandar. On the outer Bhandar are about 150 ornaments and jewels which are used on a regular basis to dress and decorate the deity. However, administrators of the temple say that Lord Jagannath is God of the poor. The temple has also been plundered multiple times, around 18 times through 200 years in its history, and a lot of jewels are believed to have been taken out by various different invaders. And when the Ratna Bhandar opens tomorrow, it is to be seen the kind of inventory that sits in the inner sanctorum, which has become the greatest mystery in Odisha for the past 50 years. For the Print, this is Shubhangi Mishra reporting from Puri in Odisha.